You know, our American servicemen go abroad and they have dreams and aspirations also, that when they get home, back to their families and back to the USA, they want to have a little fun. Some dreams they've thought about for the years they've been gone, across abroad, whatever they're doing for service. You know, we're very appreciative, and we really appreciate our servicemen. But here's kind of how things, sometimes dreams just get really, I don't know, they get blown up, you know, they just go away. We had an American serviceman, you know, he's done his duty. He was stationed in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and he wanted a sand rail. He actually had a motorcycle back before he went in service, and it was stolen. Him and his wife rode together, so they wanted a sand rail that they would be able to, you know, ride in, take their friends riding in, pets, kids, whatever.
My husband did a lot of research on it. We actually used to have matching motorcycles, and that was kind of our thing, was we rode around on motorcycles. And his got stolen, so he kind of was wanting to get out of the motorcycles, and he kind of came upon the sand rails, I think just YouTube videos mainly. And then I think he just Google searched and found the Carolina Dune Buggies. So that's kind of how we met Tony, and we went up there and we really liked them and we enjoyed their vibe, so we decided to have them make us one.
So they came to us and wanted a sand rail built. So we built this sand rail, 4-seater. It is really super nice. I mean, unbelievable, but it was his dream. So we built the sand rail. It's fine, it's great. Legal in North Carolina, legal to drive on any road in North Carolina. Has every option that's needed to have, every requirement to be street legal. It's instant speed, isn't it?
Yes, he's gonna love it.
All right.
He's gonna be a happy man.
All right. Yeah, I know he can't wait to see you, because it's,
yes.
You know, with him being in the military and everything, I know y'all been apart for a while, and he's gonna be happy. Boy, you should tie a bow on the thing. You know?
I'm probably going to.
And so when he first gets in it and everything, he first takes that initial ride, it's probably going to be a little slower than that, but he'll find that turbo and he's going to figure it out. So it's going to be funny when he first gets into that turbo. Then he gets redeployed to Texas. And when he gets to Texas, we're getting ready to ship this vehicle to Texas to get ready to put it on a trailer. Matter of fact, they had already paid for the trailer to take it to Texas. And then they find out Texas has banned dune buggies, sand rails, and kit cars. Now, I can't understand this. Why is it okay to drive it in North Carolina and most every other state? These cars are being driven in all the other states and they're perfectly safe. And there's no record of having multiple collisions or things happening to them. But all of a sudden, it's not okay to drive it in Texas? I don't get it. So one of our servicemen's dreams, it just went down the drain, because now, hey, he can't get it shipped to Texas because he can't even sell it to somebody in Texas. He can't drive it in Texas on the road. And all those dreams and aspirations he thought about for years have just went up in smoke. Yeah, but I think Joel's going to be appreciative. There's a bill in Texas now that's going through the legal process of changing it to be able to drive the sand rail again, or dune buggies or kit cars back on the roads of Texas. And I'm hoping that Texas is gonna change their mind and give one of our American, you know, U.S. soldiers an opportunity to realize his dreams of owning this sand rail.